What is up, everybody? Good morning from Athens, Greece. And I'm just want to say this for the people who are doing drop shipping and they're selling stuff from China, that things are evolving. And if you have ever ordered from AliExpress, this is how it looks like, okay? And this is not really cool how it looks like. So you see, there is no experience, there is nothing pretty much. So pretty much here you see there is the product that I ordered. Here's what I ordered. No thank you note, no nothing, and I just received the product that I ordered, which the product doesn't even matter. But overall, when you are having your own dropshipping store and you are a big brand, people are not stupid. They see that you're selling stuff from China because this one comes from China Post. You see it right here? China Post. So I'm not saying that dropshipping is bad, and actually dropshipping is amazing when you want to get to start out. But as you progress and you start making sales, you need to actually work directly with a fulfillment center and actually having branding, custom boxes, a thank you letter. And believe me, this could be one of the best moves that you could ever do.